MobileMonkey Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of MobileMonkey Chatbot. In today's video, I'll be sharing my personal experience with this chatbot bot platform. If you're interested in trying it out, be sure to check out the link to the product in the description below. MobileMonkey is a comprehensive chatbot platform designed for businesses looking to automate customer communication, specifically on Facebook Messenger, web chat, and SMS. It's geared toward helping businesses engage customers, generate leads, and provide seamless support, all while simplifying the entire process of building and managing chatbots. One of the key strengths of MobileMonkey is its user-friendly, no-code interface. The platform offers an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, making it easy for users with little to no coding experience to create powerful chatbots. You can easily set up automated conversation flows, configure actions, and trigger responses based on user inputs, which can significantly improve your customer engagement without needing a developer. MobileMonkey excels in multi-channel messaging, allowing you to create chatbots for Facebook Messenger, Instagram, web chat, and even SMS. This cross-channel functionality makes it a versatile tool, enabling businesses to reach customers across different platforms with consistent and personalized messaging. Another standout feature is its automation capabilities. MobileMonkey lets you create personalized automated workflows for lead nurturing, booking appointments, qualifying prospects, and answering frequently asked questions. This level of automation can free up a lot of time for your team and help you provide a more responsive and engaging customer experience. MobileMonkey also includes advanced features like chatbot analytics, which provides in-depth data on user interactions, engagement rates, and conversion metrics. These insights are essential for refining and optimizing your chatbot strategies to ensure maximum effectiveness. While the free version of MobileMonkey provides basic functionality, the Pro and Team plans unlock premium features like advanced targeting, AI integrations, and API support. The pricing is competitive and tailored to different business needs, with options for small businesses to large enterprises. In conclusion, MobileMonkey is a powerful, versatile chatbot platform that can help businesses automate customer communication, improve lead generation, and streamline support. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, MobileMonkey offers the tools to boost customer engagement and drive better results. Check out the link in the description to explore it further and take your customer communication to the next level.